So how do we use the red and green button? So as you can see, I'm inside the competitor research result here, and I will scroll down to the product result. On each product result in the competitor research or in the product research or in the category research, we have two buttons, the green and red button and the scan button. So what is the difference between the green and the red? It's very simple. The green button means we can find the item on Amazon. Okay, we are 99% guaranteed for you that if you will click on a green button, you will find the same item on Amazon. For example, I will click here and let's see the result. As you can see, I have the item from Amazon, sell for 15.44 cent. It's a prime item. The break even I said is 15%. This can be edited. You can watch it in another tutorial. The selling price of this product is $24.19. Sold 2 times. Here you can see the title. The title here and title here is clickable. Here it will open the product on Amazon and here it will open the product on eBay. And we can see the estimate profit based on the break even we chose. Here it's $4.82. So basically, after you find the item, all you need to do is pick one of your folders from here. I will save it to the 10 to 25 and click on add to list. And like this, you can build your item list inside Zik. If you don't find the item, you can add here reload the ASIN and add the item manually and save it to the list. I will show it in a second. So I click add to list and the item saved to my list. Let's go for one item with the red button and see if what will be the result. So as you can see, there is no item on Amazon. You see here the NA, no picture, no information, but still this seller sells this item. So what we can do now, we can go to Amazon manually. Okay, I will open here this item. And I will scroll down to try to find this item in Amazon. Okay, let's try to find this item on Amazon.com. And once I have the ASIN, I can add and reload the ASIN manually. Let's see if we get result here. No. Let's see if we can do it. Search by a picture on Google. Here is the item on Amazon. So here we can see the item on Amazon. Here we see that this item sells for $66. Here on Amazon it sold for $48.99. We copy the ASIN. We're going back here. We're putting here the ASIN and we're clicking reload. Once we click reload, we have added the item manually to our product. As you can see the result here, we have the item, we have $6 profit, and all we need to do is click add to list and to save this item to our list. Thank you very much, guys. In the next video, in the next tutorial, we will talk about how to create folders and how to use them to build good product list. See you later.